mind the mess. I've had a messy few days. But today, in the RC graveyard, we have a new drone. My first ever brushless drone. It has 4 brushless motors on it. And we're gonna set it up today on camera.
On RC Graveyard, we are going to fly my very first ever